everybody? I'm here today to talk to you about a Nikon D3300 DSLR camera that is not taking pictures. I'll be going over some easy fixes and showing you how to fix it easily with step-by-step instructions. So that's right, I said a lot there, a lot of repetitive stuff, but truly, if your Nikon D3300 camera is not taking pictures, I'll be going over some easy fixes with step-by-step instructions. Now, these are simple solutions that you can use, and there are 4 of them, and hopefully one of them works for you. Now, your camera might not take pictures for a wide variety of reasons. These are probably the 4 most common reasons or solutions that will work for you. So hopefully one of these works. If these don't work, then you have to take it to the next level, which is like a repair shop and more advanced things that you can try out. But these are just basic, simple things that you can try out to narrow it down or fix the problem. That's it for the long intro. We're going to get right into this. Number 1, what you want to do first is turn the camera on, extend your lens out, okay? Now you want to put your camera in manual mode. Manual mode is the M on the dial over here. So go and switch to the M on the dial. And what manual mode does, the M on the dial, let's turn it this way. The M on the dial allows you to basically adjust all of the things yourself. Then what you want to do is switch your lens to M for manual focus. Okay? So right now you're in full manual mode. Okay? Then what you want to do is try to take a picture. So literally, try to take a picture. I just took a picture right there. You can see, like, there's the car that I took, right? The window over here. So essentially, if you can take a picture in manual mode, but you can't take a picture otherwise, then what you have is an autofocus problem. Because when you put it in autofocus over here, instead of manual focus, when you switch to the A to autofocus, and when you put auto at the top here, it's going to try and automatically focus and automatically get the best settings for the picture. If you can't take a picture when it's in auto mode, then the problem is the auto, right? If you can take a picture in manual mode and not auto mode, then the problem is the autofocus, the auto settings, and so forth. So try that out. It's worth a shot. It'll help you narrow down your problem. It can be an autofocus sensor. It can be something as simple as a dirty lens disturbing the autofocus capabilities. But, you know, look into fixing an autofocus problem. And luckily for you, I actually did a video on that fairly recently. So it should be released around the same time as this. So look into fixing the autofocus problem with the Nikon D3300 camera. And, you know, hopefully you've solved that problem of it not being able to take pictures because it was an autofocus problem that's causing you to not be able to take pictures. So that's number 1. That's the longest explanation out of all of these. Number 2 is you want to reset your options. So essentially, make sure your camera's on. You want to go into the menu over here. So I pushed menu to open up the menu. And then what you want to do is go to the settings menu right over here, which is the little wrench icon. And go to the right to the menu options over here. And it says reset setup options. When you go to reset setup options, when you go to that option, you want to click OK. And then you want to go to yes and click yes. Okay? That's going to reset your setup options. And it's going to hopefully fix whatever error maybe was in the options that you had chosen. I'm going to click no because I'm not going to reset mine. But essentially, you want to reset your setup options because that will hopefully, if it's like a software thing, an option that you changed, hopefully that'll fix it, okay? Number 3, take the battery out, put it back in. I know it's something simple, but it's like any other technological device. You know, basically reset it. Take the battery out like this, leave it out for 30 seconds, put it back in, okay? If you want to, as an added bonus, when the battery's out, what you can do is turn this on for about 30 seconds, and that will drain any residual power in the camera, which will truly give it like a full reset, like a soft reset, but a full soft reset, okay? So I'm gonna turn it back off, and then I'm going to go and put the battery back in, just like that, close the battery door, and there we go. We've now sort of done like a full soft reset. And last but not least is number 4, which is if it's on and it's not taking pictures, turn it off and on, off and on, off and on. You wanna turn it off and on a few times. I know it sounds silly, but sometimes you just need almost like a couple of resets in a row to really just give it like a wake-up call, right? It works sometimes. I know it's crazy, but you know, sometimes this stuff works, especially when you're dealing with anything technological like this. And that's it. If your Nikon D3300 is not taking pictures, those are some easy fixes with step-by-step instructions for how you can solve the problem. Try them out, and hopefully one of them works for you. And that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.